sweet darling Augusta's coming out.
Your camera.
She's coming out to say hello, you know.
October 28th. Let's do this.
There's a fire extinguisher right there, honey. So.
After 13 years of knowing you,
boy,
and this car,
let's just hope that it works.
It will work. It's got to. I'm gonna get closer because I don't have my glasses.
I don't really want to start. I just wanted to cough.
Okay.
You know, like that, go from smoke. If I can get to do that, then I know, you know.
Okay, I'm gonna step back though.
Go.
Don't you have like some glasses or something?
I got some glasses. Yeah, you may want to step back a little bit.
I will step back.
Let's see, got a fire here. Fire here.
Find the hole.
Yeah, fire in the hole. So, hope it's good. Now it's not hot wire is what you call hot wiring. But this is just so I can see if it'll cough or not. Let's just hope it cranks. Well, you know, coughs. Make sure. Because Cairo, she be putting stuff places where ain't got no business. It's gonna make a lot of noise, so just want to let you know it's gonna make a lot of noise. So turn it on. Let's see.
Don't put your fish too close.
It's not making the same noise it did. Oh, let me see if I got it. Yep, got you some. Well, let's give it a go. Ready?
Awesome!
Did it smoke? It didn't smoke.
I didn't see smoke, but it started.
No, it just turned over. There's no smoke. Hey.
I ain't never heard this sound before.
No, try it again.
What's that?
Let's try it again.
Okay.
Alright, so no smoke.
Where's the champagne?
No, that's just a start. Anyway, it didn't start. Not getting any smoke, which means that there's no fire going to the spark plugs.
Okay.
So it's back to the testing again. So the main thing I want to do is get fire to the spark plugs.
Okay. Yeah. I'm running before you know it.
Anyway,
That's what.
here we go again. I guess I'll talk to YouTubers and you Facebook heads later on, and signing off.
Congrats on you.
Thank you, honey. Signing off. It's not really a start. She's happy though. It'll turn over all the time, but it just never started. So, okay, I'm gonna see what I can do now, and I'll talk to you later.